Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Today we are going to talk about do and does. Now let's take a look how to use do. I do. You do. We do. They do. And how to use does? He does. She does. It does. Now read it together. I do. You do. We do. They do. He does. She does. It does. Now let's try to make a question with the help of do. Do I want this book? Do you have a pen? Do we have an English class? Do they like dogs? Let's make a question using does. Does he want a cup of coffee? Does she have a shoes? Does it look nice on you? Does James do his project? Let's practice to make more questions using do and does. Do you brush your teeth every day? Yes, I do. Do they eat rice? No, they don't. Does she dance well? Yes, she does. Does Jean live in Japan? No, she doesn't. She lives in America. Thanks for watching.